Guys, Bitcoin is crumbling at the moment. Crypto holders are once again in extreme fear as we see over $300 million worth of longs get liquidated. We can see at the moment Bitcoin lost that 20k support level. So of course, naturally people are quite scared all over again. We're going to look at why that happened, what areas of support and resistance we've got in the market for Bitcoin. Will we recover back above $20,000 or are we going to see $19,000 first? You right there, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and smash that like button on this video. So 19.8k at the moment for Bitcoin, $383 billion market cap. We've seen a bit of a wipeout. Crypto traders suffer over $300 million of losses in liquidations amid the market crash. And I'm wondering really what this was to do with. It's really hard to solely point towards one thing, but I think a lot of it was to do with Solid Gate. But also this very bearish tweet we saw last night, which said, Biden admin proposes 30% tax on electricity used for Bitcoin and crypto mining. New York Times. So this is not good. It's hindering the transition to a low emission energy future, the White House says. So interesting. On the short term, we can see that Bitcoin is now traversing within this descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. And if we break this level right here, this level right here, we tested this support a couple times, we got a bounce, and the more times you try to test the support level, the likelihood rises for it to get broken. So we might possibly see this 19.7 level get broken, where we might see some negative continuation to the downside. And you can see we lost a key level of support at 21.4k and also 22.1k. This was a huge crash in the market right here for Bitcoin just over the last 3 days. 11% of valuation has been wiped out, which is unbelievable. So we're really underextended now on that 20-day moving average. We're probably sitting tightly at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, but it could also suggest that there is a good long position on the way. So once this all blows over, we're oversold on the RSI. I think we're probably going to see a good jump here for Bitcoin. So the good thing is, the last time we were oversold on the daily time frame, the price was, quite low. It was 15.6k, but now we're oversold again with a much higher price level. So in my opinion, if we join up these oversold positions, that's what we've got. So it doesn't look too bad in my honest opinion, and I wouldn't be feeling too bearish about this. There's really not much to feel bad about. We could actually see a really good reversal from this particular level here. We could still retest 21.4 and come back up, and then maybe revisit this diagonal support another time and still get back to that 25k level. Of course, we had a lot of bullish price action. We were very overbought. We had a bearish divergence, so made sense that we were going to eventually get a loss in the price. I mean, look at this. The RSI was coming down the whole entire time, but we had the price action continuously going up, producing higher highs, effectively a macro bearish divergence. So that's what we had to play with, and now it's already happened. So shorting from 25.2k would have been an amazing move if anyone did put through shorts at that particular position. So always remember, if on the daily time frame you see the bearish divergence on the RSI producing lower highs and the long time frame on the price action producing higher highs, you could speculate that a bearish reversal is on the way. So interesting. This could now be the new position to start going long. It's quite difficult to say. Total market cap, we can see wiped out from 613 billion. This is the altcoin market cap valuation, down to $500 billion. Now guys, before we press on with the next thing, make sure you join the Discord channel down below. There's nearly 5,000 people in here. We're looking at trading signals, NFTs, we're looking at pre-sales, spot trades, DCA trades. If you want to get involved on my Patreon so you can unlock access to these signals where you will get notifications about each trading signal, then please do consider becoming a patron, which is linked just down below for you, as little as £8 a month. And if you want to get into those pre-sales, get inside info around those, some of those pre-sales return some huge returns. 113 patrons at the moment, guys. You can also become a VIP, and that will give you exclusive access to pre-sales like Love Hate Enu, which is currently live, also linked down below for you. And remember, it's not financial advice. So if you want to research a cool new pre-sale ICO which has got big potential to explode when it gets deployed on an exchange, you can see here Love Hate Enu has been live for just 2 days and raised $220,000. So very curious to see what might happen here, guys. Keep your eyes peeled on this utility coin. It's all about voting, immutable, trustless voting as well, with a long-term roadmap and just having fun in a community-based token that could really pump crypto bubbles today. Ocean of red. Doesn't look great, but we're gonna see a reversal soon. Just give it time. We've got the weekend on the way. It's going to be a rocky, volatile ride. It always is on the weekends. Try not to trade too much on weekends. And yeah, guys, I mean, look at that, back down to 20k again. So this happened. Fear and greed index 34. I think the markets are looking strong. Hold on. I think we've got a very good year coming. No all-time highs, but at least a very good sort of average price, and hopefully no more crashes down to 15k. Well, if it does, I'm definitely buying more Bitcoin. But anyway, guys, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.